In this video, let's go over how to write the description for your Fiverr gig.
This video is brought to you by OppiePie's Academy.
So when you edit or create your gig, right here on this tab, you have description and FAQ, and it's going to take you to your description. As you can see, you have up to 1,200 characters in which to write your description. What you want to do is establish your credibility, talk about the benefits of what people will get and how the gig works. So let's go over it. First, I establish credibility. My name is Alex Gnedinic. The reason I use that is because some people will type that into Google and they will research me and they'll be like, this is impressive, right? They'll research who is this guy, Alex Gnedinic, because I do have a very good online presence. And I also talk about that I'm an SEO expert with 10 plus years experience. So that builds a lot of credibility. Then I explain how the gig works. So I'll spend 15, 30 or 60 minutes with a person on Skype and have a one-on-one session where we brainstorm and I help them create an effective SEO strategy, which is really good. And then for the next kind of 2 sentences or 2 paragraphs, I go on and talk about how exactly it works so there's no confusion. Then in the end, I finish it off with, together, we will examine your website and outline a search engine marketing strategy that will actually work to grow your business. That's the benefit. That's what they want at the end of the day. They don't really care about the details, the links, the content, the whatever. They just want to grow their business. And that's the promise. So these 3 elements should be present in your gig description. Of course, you see I have good use of white space. I break up the white space a lot so it's clear. And also the description is well written. If you struggle with grammar, you can have somebody help you proofread it. Or as you can see, I have Grammarly right here. Grammarly is a Chrome plugin, and I actually use Grammarly on my browser. It's a free download. It's a free browser extension that helps you with grammar. So if I make some mistake, it will actually let me know, and it will help you fix a lot of grammar issues. So immediately your writing will look more professional. Also, since you're already on this page, try to anticipate commonly asked questions, FAQ, and enter your commonly asked questions. It will appear on your Fiverr sales page, and if people have any doubts and you enter those doubts in the FAQ, they'll be a little more likely to buy. One thing I can do is add a call to action in the end. For example, it would look something like this. At the end, I might say, order my service today and let's grow your business. And maybe I'll make that bold. And that's pretty good. What I could also done is when I talked about the specific features, I could have done it like this. You see, instead of having a comma separated list, I created a bullet point list. So it's just going to be easier on the eyes for people. And I'll go and save that. And that's what you can do as well. Just have that similar structure. Don't forget credibility, clarity, call to action, and most importantly, the benefit people are after. And also make sure they understand how the service works, so there is no confusion when they buy it.